Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Akka was really sick. Endometriosis made my periods really difficult. So for like 3-4 days I couldn't get up from the bed. I was really in too much pain, but I am getting better now. I'm actually fine now. I'm perfectly fine now. So on my lips I'm wearing a Max Ruby Woo, and yeah, with my health, my skin also was not doing good because I've been trying out so many skincare products for you guys, like for the bridal series and generally to bring out some reviews for you guys. So I feel like my skin is just getting so confused and it's going crazy. So I think like after I finish all these reviews, I'm going to give my skin a break and put nothing on it except my natural DIYs. So yeah, my skin has not been doing well. Also, if you guys know, when I was diagnosed with endometriosis, I also lost a lot of weight. And when I lost a lot of weight, I lost all my confidence. Before that, it took me a while to gain weight and get to my perfect weight and the perfect way I wanted my body to look. After that, when endometriosis happened, everything went down the drain. I lost so much weight and I lost all my confidence. So I never bought clothes, like casual clothes, for almost 2 years, unless it was an occasion like my best friend's wedding or Christmas, New Year. Other than that, I never bought clothes. I was always living in pullover because I was so insecure about my body. But now that I am gaining weight and I've been working out, so I also have started buying all these tank tops. So this one is from Clovia. It's a razor back and I'm wearing it with a high-waisted jean. Feels nice, feels good, and I'm sure a lot of girls out there are insecure about your body and have body image issues. I have it too. I still have it. I still have those days when I wake up and I'm like, no, I don't like the way my body looks. I also stopped wearing jeans because it would not fit me. It would be loose, so I would not wear jeans, and it really brought my confidence down. It made me feel really bad because you would see all these girls wear all these, like, you know, skin fit jeans and these cute tops, and then you're not able to do it. So it really brings your confidence down. So I kind of got some tank tops. I got another bright pink one. These were not expensive at all, and I think they're on a sale. So, and the quality also is good. I like something that stretches because I've always been a skinny girl with big boobs. So I need something that will stretch. So yeah, I got this. Again, this is a razor back. The quality is amazing. I absolutely love it, and it's a nice bright pink color. It's almost like the one I'm wearing right now, but the straps are thicker in this, and in this it's those spaghetti kind of straps. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've started posting outfit pictures because I'm slowly getting back my love for fashion, and I feel like I'm in a place where I can carry it out and look good and have the confidence. So I wanted some Christmas themed night suits so that I can post some cute pictures with pajamas. So I got this one which says Winter Wonderland. I will leave a picture of the full outfit and how it looks, but this is how it looks. The material is quite soft. If you know me, you'll know that I hate wearing something tight when I'm going to sleep. It has to be loose, it has to feel free, and so I wanted something that is soft and would be really loose on me. And for this, the pant looks something like this. I absolutely love it. It's just really cute, and it has all these snowflakes, and I think this is a unicorn. Yeah, it's a unicorn and stars, and it's very Christmassy. It feels very Christmassy. So I absolutely love it, and it's this light pink shade. Again, I like pants that are really loose. I don't know how these girls wear leggings and go to sleep, leggings and a t-shirt. I really don't know. And I have one that I want to wear for Christmas, like when I'm just like chilling at home, and I absolutely love it. It's this cute night suit that has penguins and snowflakes on it, and it's a nice teal blue shade. Absolutely love it. and the sleeves are like this now. This is a little big for me, but that's how I like it. So yeah, and the pants for this also is very cute. I'm just waiting to wear this on Christmas and just chill and take some cute photographs. I will absolutely love wearing something like this. This is the first time I actually went and got something like this, because like I said, I never bought any clothes for myself. I did not have the confidence. Okay, so today for Christmas preparation, I have to get the sofa washed. There are some guys coming to wash sofa. It is from Urban Clap. Last year on Christmas also we got it washed, and they did a really good job, and you know, it doesn't take much time. So I have that, and I have to change the curtains and all of that. So let's do it together.